the forest, the hunting horn calls. The fire is already dancing in the oven walls. Tonight no ordinary supper will appear. Hunter's pizza is coming, and everyone cheers. 200 grams of active sourdough start the way. 800 grams of flour join the play. 400 milliliters of water and 6 spoons of oil for a great pizza base that's worth the toil. Knead it together until smooth and fine. All that effort will pay off in time. When the dough becomes gentle beneath your hand, you know everything is going just as planned. Hey, hey, ho! The horn calls from the hill. Hey, ho! Forest scent stands still. A hunter's pizza, come along. Bring the forest flavor strong. Hey, hey, ho! The oven fire glows bright. Hey, ho! A wonder fills the night. Hey, Hearn walks beside us far and near. When the hunter's pizza finally appears, cover the dough with plastic wrap tight. Let it rest in the fridge overnight. Leave it there for a full day or more. That's what makes it something to adore. For the sauce you'll need 100 grams tomato paste. Every pizza maker knows that taste. Add some onion and oregano too. 1 teaspoon of salt will see it through. 5 tablespoons of water join the pot. Slowly simmer everything you've got. When this red delight is finally done, the pizza's crown has just begun. Hey, hey, ho! The horn calls from the hill. Hey, ho! Forest scent stands still. A hunter's pizza, come along. Bring the forest flavor strong. Hey, hey, ho! The oven fire glows bright. Hey, ho! A wonder fills the night. Hey, Hearn walks beside us far and near. When hunter's pizza finally appears, brush the pizza pan with oil first. Divide the dough into 4 parts. Only now add the teaspoon of salt, so the sourdough has done its part. Spread the dough evenly in the tray. Cover it with sauce all the way. Now the toppings are waiting to play, bringing all the flavor today. 200 grams of venison sausage go on top. The hunter's song will never stop. 4 slices of porcini mushrooms come along. A forest treasure, proud and strong. Add as much cheese as you desire. Watch it melt above the fire. A hot oven welcomes it inside. The aroma spreads both far and wide. Turn the temperature down by half. Let it bake at medium heat and laugh. After 30 minutes, the masterpiece is through. Golden, crispy, beautiful too. Hey, hey, ho, hey! Let the hunting horn proudly blow. Hey, hey, ho! Tonight the whole forest is our guest. Hey, ho! The pizza crackles, the cheese melts right. Hey, ho! A hunter's life feels good tonight. Hearn stands smiling in the wood, for such a pizza is rare and good. Hey, hunter's pizza is ready at last, and every guest is coming back fast. Hey, hey, ho! Let the hunting horn proudly blow. Hey, ho! The pizza crackles, what a show. Hey, ho! GastRock sings beneath the trees.